Just behind me is one of the most exciting barn finds you'll ever see. Well, I'll ever see. What is it? It's our own barn find. This project has been stalled for a long time, and we're about to get tucked in and started again. And I'm hoping to bring you along for the journey. This week, on the Austin Healey channel, we get back into the Sprite project. Well, here she is. I know it's been a while. A lot of things have changed. I've been very busy working on the house. Originally, I'd planned on building a separate workshop, but the planning permission didn't allow for that. So I had to wait a bit until I cleaned out the garage. And that included selling Season 1 and Season 2. Season 2 went back to its original owner. Season 1 went to a very nice father-son team who are going to do a lot of work to it. But most importantly, both of them are going to drive the hell out of those cars. So now I have the space and the time, kind of. It's a different sort of project than I had been working on with Season 1 and Season 2. I'm still working on the house. That's like a 5-year project that continually lasts 5 years. So I'm going to get little spurts of time. So my videos won't be coming out every week with tons of progress. This is going to be a slow roll. It's going to be like Project Binky. I'm going to release a video when the video is ready. My plan for this car is to do a rolling restoration. I really want to get it ready to drive by next spring. Next April, my son Evo, who's much taller than you saw in the last videos, is going to be getting his driver's license, and he really wants the Sprite to be ready by next spring. So we kind of have some goals there. So while the weather's nice, let's get it outside and power wash the underside so we have a nice clean start. So with the rolling restoration, the hardest thing I have to do is get it past control technique. I need to do some structural things. Let me explain. I'm pretty sure I shared the story of when I was first driving the Sprite. 10 days after my 16th birthday, I had my driver's license for 10 days. I was making a left-hand turn on kind of a blind corner, and a guy was speeding in some great big 70s land yacht thing and hit me right here. We pounded it out. I drove the Sprite a bit longer. It went into the garden shed. In college, I pulled it out again. We had this replacement put on the outside, but underneath there's still some issues. The way, though, the wheel well is not sealed very well, but most importantly, this back spring hanger under here is shifted slightly, and I'm sure that if I try to pass control technique with that, they're gonna say, no way, it's all blah, 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 blah. So I need to straighten that out. That's a big project. I got some parts already, some replacement panels. That's going to take a long time. I'm not sure if I have to remove this outer panel or not. I'm going to try to keep that in place and work underneath it. But to do that, we're going to have to take off the rear axle, drop the fuel tank, do all sorts of stuff. One of my rules for this restoration is that if I take something off, I have to put it back on in better condition. So that means sandblasting, painting, whatever I need to do to get it back on looking, good again. It's a slow way to restore. It's a lot different than the other 2 seasons where I stripped everything down and then put it back all on clean. It's going to be bit by bit, slower, but the goal is to get this driving. Long term for this project is my retirement plan. My wife and I really love to drive around the vineyards of France, drive from vineyard to vineyard, eating at wonderful restaurants, and we want to try and do it in the Sprite. Well, especially I do. So if we can pack all our luggage in the back, pack light, and then drive around to all these vineyards and eat well and drink and have a really wonderful time. There'll be challenges along the way, but that's what we have in mind so far. We've done it in our daily driver, the big Grand Scenic, but it's just not as fun. I'm going to start by dropping the fuel tank, and then we're going to try and get the rear axle off. I don't think I've ever had it off before.
If you liked this video, click the like button. If you want to come along on the ride, click the subscribe button. If you want Google to remind you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Your support for the Austin Healey channel is very much appreciated.